What's going on, guys? Welcome back with me, Sneak Compare. Today I want to spot the difference between the real and fake pairs of Nike Kobe 8 Protro court purple colorway. So let's find out where's the difference. As you guys can see on the first sample, on the fake one here, it's very clear. The number 824 is slightly come up on the fake one. You can see here. Also on the authentic one here, the number here is a lot more blurry on the authentic one, coming down here right on top of the outsole. Next one, as you guys can see, the number here slightly go down, and also the outsole is a lot more transparent on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. There is no number behind the outsole right here. On the fake one, there is a number behind the outsole. Take a closer look. As you guys can see, the transparent layer right on top of the midsole on the fake one is slightly higher, a lot more higher than the authentic one here. It's a little bit lower. Another one also, as you guys can see, the Kobe signature here is way more going down, but it touched the midsole. On the authentic one here, there is a little bit gap between the Kobe signature and the midsole. Another one also still same. The transparent layer is slightly come up, slightly higher compared to the authentic one here. It's a little bit lower. Another one, as you guys can see, the Kobe signature here is much more thicker on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. There's no holes, there's no white area here on the fake one. On the authentic one, there is a white part here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you guys can see on the fake one, the transparent line on the fake one is a lot more higher, and it's very close with the line here on the upper. Look at on the authentic one, between the transparent line and the line on the upper here is a lot more. There is a lot more gap right here. If you didn't understand, just check out this one, another colorway of Kobe 8. As you guys can see on the marking area, very clear. The layer here on the fake one, a lot more higher. It's too close with the line on the upper. On the authentic one here, there is a lot more gap. I think this one, as you can easily understand. Next one, on the forefoot, as you guys can see, the outsole here is a lot more transparent on the fake one. The number right on top of the outsole is a little bit blurry on the authentic one. Another one also, the transparent layer here is too close with the line on the upper, just like previous sample. Look at here on the authentic one, there is a lot more gap. Another one also, the Nike shoes, the embroidered Nike shoes slightly go down on the fake one. It's not placed right in the middle like the authentic one here. The tip of the Nike shoes here on the fake one like this. On the fake one, it slightly go down. Looking from above here, as you guys can see, very clear. The gap between each string on the fake one is too narrow. That indicate that the string is too wider, it's too flat. On the fake one, it's too bigger compared to the authentic one here. Moving to the Kobe logo here, there is no connected stitches on the authentic one compared to the fake one. There is a connected stitches. Another one also, the gap here on the Kobe logo is too narrow on the fake one. You can see here. Another one also is very clear. The stitches or the embroidery is connect on its part of the Kobe logo on the fake one. On the authentic one, there is no connected stitches. Again, another one still same. You can see here, it's very clear. Moving to the back of the shoes on the heel, as you can see, the ankle protection here isn't placed right in the middle. This one on the fake one, the Kobe logo is slightly to the right, isn't centered like the authentic one here. Another one also, there is a gap between Kobe logo here and the ankle protection on the marking area. On the authentic one, there is no gap here. Also, the shape of the lining on the upper heel is slightly flatter, it's slightly horizontal on the fake one. On the authentic one, it's a lot more rounded. Again, another one, there is no gap. There is a gap here between the Kobe logo and the ankle protection and the shape of the lining here. Another one also, as you guys can see, the ankle protection here slightly to the left, isn't centered like the authentic one here. Another one also, there is a white glue stain, you can see right on top of the midsole. And also the ankle protection here isn't placed right in the middle. This one is slightly to the left compared to the authentic one here is centered. And the last one is the outsole. The outsole on the fake one is way more transparent. You can see the black carbon fiber behind the outsole. On the authentic one, there is no transparent at all. Another one also, This one is still the same. This one is too transparent, the outsole. And also the Kobe logo is white on the fake one. It's totally wrong. Another one also is too transparent. The outsole is too transparent on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. Take a closer look. As you guys can see, this one isn't transparent on the fake one. And the shape of the outsole here is crooked. It's totally messed up on the fake one. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you understand, I hope you get it. And if you have any question or request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, or you can leave in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can make another video for you guys. Also, please help this channel grow. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.